The Mumbai vibe is very good. And right now, after my retirement last year in July, you won't believe. Hello.
Hi,
Hi, good evening.
good evening.
How are you?
I'm good.
How's your day going so far?
It has been good.
Good, good. So, tell me something about yourself.
Oh, I hate this part.
Why?
I'm tired of introducing myself to
Oh.
so many tutors.
Mm-hmm.
That is why.
If you take new tutors, obviously, you'll have to introduce.
Okay. I'm a tutor. I teach maths up to 10th class and commerce
Mm-hmm.
subjects for 11th and 12th class. I
Mm-hmm.
have been in this profession for around 12 years.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm here on Clapping for just to converse with people, to explore something new, and to improve my spoken English.
Mm-hmm. Where are you from?
From Delhi.
Delhi. Where do you stay in Delhi?
Padarpur.
Badarpur. My God, that's like border
And
of
yeah, Badarpur
yeah.
border.
Mm-hmm. Because I used to stay at Faridabad. This was in 80s. Then
Oh
we
my
moved
god.
to Delhi. Then last 30 years I was in Mumbai. I was a teacher.
Oh my
So
god.
yeah, I
So
was a
don't
teacher
you
for.
teach anymore?
I retired.
How old are you?
This is another question I am sick and tired of answering. So I'm going to be 60 in August.
60.
Yeah.
But you look quite young.
Yeah. So, okay. That's God's grace. What can I do? So I taught for 24 years straight.
Sorry?
I taught for 24 years straight.
Oh my god.
Yeah. And the last part, I just hung around because I wanted my retirement benefits. Because teaching in a school can be so stressful.
Tiring, exhausting.
Plus, I was a board examiner for 13 years. And the year I retired, they made me moderator. I said, Maaf karo, Baba. I don't want any of
I
this.
find it daunting actually.
It's not daunting. It's
For
too
me,
stressful. It's too stressful. So how come you haven't joined the school?
I
There are
haven't
such
joined any
good
school. I'm a
schools.
tutor, I teach at home.
I know there are
Do
such
I
good
have done
schools
two
in
teaching
Delhi.
courses? Do I have
Mm-hmm.
done two teaching courses? I don't prefer to teach in any school.
Mm-hmm. You earn more this way, I think.
Sorry.
I think you earn more this way.
It's not about earning. I'm not comfortable in any school or outside. That is
Mm-hmm.
why.
Why?
I have my reasons. That is why.
Okay, fine. So who all are there in your family?
Oh, I have like one younger, one elder brother, and I'm the middle one, mummy, and my sister-in-law.
Okay, fine. Good, good, good. So your classes are on all days of the week, or you give
Right now,
yourself
I
a
don't
break?
have many students. No, I don't take throughout the day. It's for after 4 in the evening.
Okay, after 4 in the evening, but all days of the week?
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
throughout the week.
Throughout the week. So you don't give yourself any time to kind of.
But most of the time, Sunday, I
Mm-hmm.
don't take classes. I take
Mm.
classes on Sunday when they have their exam, and I
Mm-hmm.
teach too, no?
So
Like
online or you
offline,
offline?
like offline.
Okay. Mm-hmm. So what do you do on Sunday? How's your day? How's your Sunday?
I try to keep myself engaged. I do some household work, like household
Mm-hmm.
chores,
Mm-hmm. And what do you do for fun?
dancing.
Very nice.
Sometimes I go for driving.
Okay.
sometimes for like I go like enjoy some kind of food and all that
Mm-hmm.
because
So
I'm
do you go into Delhi or around
Faridabad.
Badrpur,
Faridabad. Delhi is
Faridabad?
very congested, crowded place
Mm-hmm.
as compared to Faridabad. So I usually go to Faridabad.
I have fond memories of my stay in Faridabad, and those days in the 80s, it was quite isolated. It was not, so we used to live in a Sardar's Koti. So it was a huge, you cannot imagine that kind of house in today's day. Huge Koti. He was on the ground floor and we were on the first floor. Huge terrace balcony and whatever. And when it was, winters were very, obviously it still is quite tough. So we would go to that. There's one place, Kotnaka, and then we would have tandoori and nice. I have very fond memories of that place. But now
Do
I
you want
believe
to
it's
go back to that place if you ever got the chance?
no. Living 30 years in Mumbai, I've become a Mumbai person.
But
So,
by the way you were saying all those things, I thought like you reminisce about
yeah,
that
so obviously I have
all that.
fond memories, but somehow I prefer Mumbai to Delhi. The Mumbai vibe is very good. And right now, after my retirement last year in July, you won't believe I stay in Goa. I've moved to Goa. I
Okay,
have
do
a
you
house here. Yeah. So Goa, the vibe is even better. It's like a whole year you're partying. Means the Goa vibe is like 365 days party. You can party anytime you want to.
so you like party?
Once in a while, chalta hai. So, and I love traveling. I am hardly here. I travel a lot. So, just on Sunday, I came back from Kazakhstan. Kazakhstan, Almaty. I had been there. So, I had a nice time. So, so, have you been to Goa?
No, never.
Anywhere other than Delhi? I mean, outside of Badarpur,
I'm a
Faridabad.
homebody actually.
Mm-hmm.
I generally
Um,
have visited my grandparents' place, that is
mm-hmm.
Uttarakhand, Almora in Uttarakhand.
Mm-hmm. I love Almora. My goodness, I've
You
been
have
there
been there?
so many times. What used
Which
to
place
happen
in
was
Almora exactly?
no, just for sightseeing.
Okay.
One day go and come back. What would happen is when we were in Delhi, my father-in-law was working at a place called Gajrola. So after Meerut, Hapur, Gajrola, sugarcane factories and all. So we would go on
I
Friday.
have heard this word while
Hmm.
going to that place.
Hmm. So we
Gajrola,
would
yes, yeah, yes,
Gajrola.
like this.
Huh. It's quite a big town. So we would
Yeah.
say hi, hello to him on Friday and drive to Nainital. And Nainital में जाके plant ourselves there. Then Rani Khet, Almora, Nainital में. Oh, those are again fond memories. So there was a time when we thought कि Rani Khet में एक plot खरीद के we would build our retirement home over there. Because it's so beautiful. It is so beautiful. But then everybody said, what, in old age, with your knee problem and all, where will you go and stay in the mountains?
How will you
So,
climb up the
yeah.
mountains?
So then we thought of Goa. Because my hometown is Kolkata. I'm a Bengali.
Oh my God.
Yeah, but can't stay in Kolkata. I mean,
Why?
I think they are 100 years behind everybody. The mentality, the people, somehow, even though everybody, my sisters and all stay there, but we more than
It's
two
good
days
if you
you
can't
feel,
fit in over there, so it's better to
mm,
move from that
yeah,
place.
more than 2 days you feel like, oh my God, I must get back to my place.
I finally.
So, yeah, so what kind of dancing do you do? Just general?
General, like disco
Mm-hmm.
and all that. It depends on my
Mm-hmm.
mood.
Mm-hmm. And do you have many friends? Do you go out with Oh, you don't go
Not
out all.
many now. At this age, I don't believe.
What this age? What's your
Very
age?
friends. 34.
Yeah, so that's okay. So my elder daughter is 36.
They are busy in their lives,
Mm-hmm.
so they don't get the time to talk to a person like me
Mm-hmm. Okay.
who doesn't have many responsibilities or who doesn't have many things to do.
Hmm.
I'm
And
kind of the person, na, that is why. And they are all
mm-hmm.
busy
What
person.
about any boyfriends or anybody you're going out with?
Oh, I don't
No?
have.
In Delhi, I think it's a big problem to have a boyfriend also because I think Delhi men, boys, they are very chichora type. Isn't it true?
It's true, but
Yes.
you can't apply this fact on everyone out
All
there
the
who
all
is
the
living in
boys.
Delhi. No, no, no.
Mm-hmm.
You can't apply this fact.
Mm-hmm.
Person, sorry. It isn't
Hmm.
applicable to me.
Okay. So do you like shopping?
No,
No. A young girl like you doesn't like shopping.
I wouldn't say I like it. I
Means you just shop when you
don't
have
enjoy it
to.
because whenever I'm an indecisive person, right?
Mm-hmm.
Whenever I have to make a decision
Mm-hmm.
regarding anything, whether it's related to shopping or making a decision related to your personal life or in any scenario, I hate that part.
Mm-hmm. Oh, okay.
And
But
shopping, that
but it's
involves
high
a list
time you
of decision.
started. But it's high time you started making decisions.
I know, but generally I can't
Mm-hmm.
change my behavior. I'm trying, but
Mm-hmm.
what
Okay.
happens?
No, I was coming to that. So, like, how would your very, very close friend define your personality?
I
Ki,
never asked my friend
no, how do you think they would talk about you? Ki, she is. Sorry, I forgot your name.
Meenakshi.
Meenakshi. That, Meenakshi is in personality. I'm talking about
Okay,
personality.
Meenakshi is an honest person.
Very
She's
good.
very loyal
Mm-hmm.
and she
Does
stands
she
for
have
her
a
word.
temper?
Sorry?
Does she
Yeah.
have a temper? Okay.
And she stands for her words.
Mm-hmm.
What else?
Is
A bit
she? Is she?
egoistic
Mm-hmm. Is she a little rude sometimes?
sometimes. Because
Muffat,
I'm
what they call
sorry?
Muffat, like
Okay. No, not move, but
blunt,
yeah.
or
But not with my
diplomatic.
friends. Not with my friends.
Mm-hmm. Okay. How would you define yourself?
The things which I told you just now.
Mm-hmm.
That what
Indecisive.
actually my words, which I
Mm-hmm.
think about myself.
Mm-hmm. So you're indecisive and you don't like to take too many
And
responsibilities?
I am an optimistic person.
Mm-hmm. Very good. Best is that.
Optimistic person.
Yes, obviously. Optimist means you are open to a lot of good ideas. Pessimist is
No,
someone.
no, no.
Oh, the
Optimistic
opposite.
person means a person who thinks everything is going to be negative.
That is pessimist.
Oh, so sorry. I forgot.
Happens,
I
happens.
had put the
Pessimist.
words in my mind. Oh my god.
Oh,
Sorry.
so you are a
I'm a
pessimist.
pessimistic. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Optimistic. I want to be optimistic
Want
person.
to be. Okay, fine, fine. So, see, what kind of course, you're not working under anyone, so I can't even ask you this question.
But I
I
had
want,
worked
oh,
last
you
year.
had work. Okay.
Last year.
So, what kind of person do you think makes an ideal, manager or boss? What kind of
A person who has
personality?
leadership qualities,
Mm-hmm.
a person who can actually take all the employees together.
Mm-hmm.
Like dealing with different mindset is not an
Mm-hmm.
easy task, but somewhere that person has to make sure that each and every individual um, thinks in the same way.
Hmm.
To it's very mandatory thing if you really want to have that output, that one
Hmm.
aim every individual out there should aim that thing only, and
Hmm.
should divert their mind or ideas in that way only.
Mm-hmm.
So if a person is able to do that without any confusion or
Hmm.
making any chaos between the situation or the employees over there, so I would say that would be an ideal manager.
Very nice. Yes, absolutely. But it's very difficult to find these kind of people around. And who do you think qualifies? What kind of personality qualifies as an ideal leader of the nation?
Leader of the
You
nation,
do you think Modi
Narendra Singh
fits the
Modi.
bill? Do you think he fits the bill,
Who?
Mr. Modi?
Yeah,
Mm-hmm. So you're a staunch Modi supporter.
yeah, I am.
Mm-hmm. So what kind of qualities does he possess that you are impressed?
He's very dedicated towards his
Yeah,
work.
that's true.
He thinks about the country,
Hmm.
about its growth,
Mm-hmm.
and he values our culture. You know, he's at the same time when after uh, I felt this thing when he became prime minister first time in
Mm.
2014, right?
Yeah, I think so. I can't
2014,
remember. Mm.
2004 of 2014. After that,
Mm.
you will find the difference. Every country out there
Mm.
is perceiving as a different, with highly reputed country,
Mm.
taking India in a different way.
Yes.
Earlier, it wasn't the case.
Mm.
He's meeting with different prime minister or president of different countries, making sure he does make sure every all the time basically that he welcomes every country president or prime minister whosoever he is meeting
Mm-hmm.
and whosoever is he is coming across. So he tries to balance it. He's thinking about the country as well as uh, at the same time he's trying to maintain peace and harmony among different countries with
Mm.
different countries.
Mm-hmm.
So he has actually that insight,
Very good. Yes, of
vision,
course. Mm-hmm.
long term vision. Like he had this thing in his mind, what he wants to achieve in the next 10 years or in the next
Mm.
20 years.
Mm.
So it doesn't matter whether he will be, for that time, he will remain as PM or not, but he is putting
Mm.
his best efforts into it.
Yes, I'm sure. Yeah. So like, is there any one personality trait you feel, oh, I had that. That person is like, I wish I had that. Do you wish for any, or do you think that no, I'm okay, I'm complete?
No, there are many wishes actually.
Mm-hmm.
Not even one, there are many wishes. I
Okay.
wish I could be as dedicated as like our PM, Narendra
Mm-hmm.
Singh Modi. I could stick to one work,
Oh.
and it's because I'm, what should we say, chanchal buddhi. I can't stick to
Ah.
work at a time.
Mm-hmm.
I keep wandering here and there and over all other places. I
Mm-hmm.
can't stuck to one thing.
Mm.
And what else it could be? I wish I could work like I could do 9 to 5 hour job. That
Okay.
is quite
Why
impossible
do you
for me
think that you wouldn't be able to do that?
because I'm not a morning person.
Okay.
That is
Mm-hmm.
why. And I'm a bit moody. And
Hmm.
if you really want to fit in a corporate sector, you need to be punctual, disciplined.
You need to be a team person, mix
Yeah,
around with
that yeah.
everyone.
And I lack that thing somewhere.
Mm-hmm.
I
But then
wish
you
I
should.
could eat less.
Ah. Okay. So you are a
There are many
foodie.
wishes.
You're a foodie.
Die hard fan of food, junk
Mm-hmm.
food,
Okay. So what's your favorite food?
momos.
Momo,
Don't
yeah.
don't
I don't think there's anybody who's doesn't like momo. So do you eat non-vegetarian food?
yeah, vegetarian.
Oh, only vegetarian.
Yeah,
Okay, but you are a you Meenakshi
Mehta.
what? Mehta means are you a Gujarati?
No,
Then
Pahari, Uttarakhand. I
Pahad,
will. Yeah,
Uttarakhand. Okay, but
my
you
sister
don't eat
were from
non-veg.
Uttarakhand.
But you don't eat non-veg. Okay,
My
so what
brother,
other besides momo? What other thing is your favorite?
besides Moo,
Now that you tell me, I need to order some momos because मेरा भी मन कर रहा है अभी मोमो खाने के लिए.
I will definitely eat after this class.
So we will both be eating momos.
I
So
was about.
no, so supposing do you all go out for dinners, lunches, and all of that? Do you go out?
I don't prefer to go out for lunch
No,
in the day.
with your
No,
family and all. You
I just
don't.
go out I would love to have that thing, but I generally don't go out with anyone.
Hmm. Okay. No, means as a whole, as a
I like
family
when
also.
I like for driving only.
Mm-hmm.
I like
No, I wanted to ask you when, like, when people go out for lunches or dinners, they have certain cuisines like Chinese, Thai, continental,
Hmm.
Mughlai, South Indian. So, which one do you prefer?
Chinese
Ah, even I
and
like
South
Chinese,
Indian.
but I like biryani.
Ah, I will never
Mm.
ever have that thing, and that too in an expensive restaurant. Oh, yeah,
Uh-huh. Okay, you don't like to spend on expensive restaurants.
no, no. No,
But
I like to, but
it's
not
a
on
different
biryani.
experience.
Not on biryani. Not fish
Yeah,
biryani.
not on biryani. Obviously,
Yeah.
if you're going to go to a fine dine, good space, you obviously want to uh, taste all the good things that the hotel offers. Fine. That's nice, but being a foodie is not a bad thing. It's a nice thing. Only you have to check your weight. So, weight has
You
to.
need to balance it out by doing some
Hmm.
exercise and all
Yeah,
that.
but you do you? Do
No,
you? Oh, I go
because of
to the
medical
gym.
reason. I want
Acha.
to, but can't do that.
Uh-huh. Okay, okay, okay. Fine, fine, fine. So now coming back to the previous thing that I was talking about, um, what are the personality traits in other people that you don't like? You find it annoying.
I hate liars,
Mm-hmm.
manipulating people.
Ah, yes. But sometimes a white lie is okay.
It depends on the circumstances.
Hmm.
But in
To
general,
avoid.
I wouldn't say
No, to
it's.
avoid a really disastrous situation, sometimes a white lie chalta hai. Which does a white lie something which won't harm anybody.
See, I told you now. In few circumstances, I would say yes.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so manipulative people. What else?
Okay, manipulative, liar, who are not punctual and indisciplined.
Wow.
If you have made a commitment, I think you should fulfill that commitment. If you
Of
have taken a
course,
responsibility, you need to uphold that responsibility.
absolutely. But then, all these qualities, all these traits that you said, if you are not mixing around with a lot of people, you're not working in a professional environment, then how are you saying such things? Manipulative,
I deal with my students.
liars.
I deal with my students because,
Mm-hmm. But manipulative, would you have come across?
yeah, few people
Mm-hmm.
in my life.
Ah, okay, okay. Mm-hmm. Yeah,
We
no
don't
one
talk
likes.
much, but obviously they are friends in my life,
Mm-hmm.
but we don't talk that much.
Yeah, but then if you keep yourself away from people, isolated, people will start avoiding you.
Yeah,
You
I
need
feel
to
like
be out there. You need to talk to
I used to.
people.
Since my father passed away, I'm
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
not keen on having friendship and all that in my life.
Okay, okay, okay. So when was this? When did your father pass away?
in 2020.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for the your
There
loss.
are there are few friends in my life, but we
Mm-hmm.
don't talk that much as I told you. But they are my
But
best
that's
friends.
because you don't talk. But see, in this
See,
session,
I
you talk
see
so
I'm
much.
Vella person. I have nothing to do, I believe.
Huh, huh,
And when a person is Vella, that
huh.
person, what does he do? He keeps on calling the other person,
Oh,
and
and
that
they
person
don't
actually
like it.
gets frustrated. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's why I stopped calling or talking to them.
Mm-hmm. But I liked interacting with you. You know, there are many of
Everyone
my.
does.
I know, man.
One of my tutors told me, you keep the conversation live, a
Yes.
lively conversation.
Lively. You are very lively. That's why I feel that you should go around, mix around with people. You will be,
I do sometimes. I do, but
eh,
not so often. But I do it sometimes
you will be the
whenever
center
I am
of
in a good mood.
center of attraction around everybody. So you should
True.
do that. You will be because you are so lively.
Is that so?
Yeah, obviously. When see, if you're mixing around with five people and you are chatty, you have lots to talk about. You have such a beautiful smile and lovely hair. If you leave it open, I'm sure you'll be the center of attraction. You don't give yourself the chance. That's the